Stupid. Stupid. Stupid.
My brother Chevy, man, we come in heavy, man. You know, so check this out.
Right, is this a music video or what? What we doing?
Man, this is just some game for your bitch, nigga.
Okay.
This is that '96 original everything.
Okay.
Original paint. I just put some new tires on it. You know what I'm saying? I spent a couple bands just for some new tires. I want to look like the white boys.
Yeah.
You feel me? I don't want the police to be looking at me.
Yeah.
I got my back top open and shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like the white people.
Hey, what year is it now?
This is a '96, the one that they smoked Biggie out of. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. They torched Biggie out of one of these, Cuddy.
Yeah. Oh, that's what it did?
Yeah, that's what that. Here, let me open up the door for her.
Yeah, let me see that peanut butter.
It was in that two-door.
That was in that bourbon. He said that was in that two-door. That Jiffy.
Man, this is peanut butter and jelly. You know what I'm talking about? This is real peanut butter and jelly.
It's clean, too.
Yeah, and I only got 178,000 miles on it, man. Original miles, man. Yeah, we doing big old shit around here.
Rolling and stuff? Okay.
Yeah, we worth about 20. We worth about 20. Yeah, date, nigga. President like Joe Biden, nigga. That's why the face got date and date in it.
Off your shit. Shit, what's up with my nigga, man? Got my nigga blowing at 6, Draco. What's happening? Come on, man. Come on, man. This shit's hard, huh? What? My nigga shit, we thick up here, man. Way over there on the other side. Not on the other side, but right at the end. Everybody want to park over here. Nigga said he did. Then in the middle with all the action, you do, but it's all good though. Gotta be different. What's up, man? What's up, gang?
Hey, what's up? That's my brother. You know, we work at the city together. She been forever. And the reason why.
Get them all, catch them all like Pokemon. Ty, where the fuck you at, boy?
No way out of here.
Good thumbs.
We posted some friends.
Good demon.
Pretty cool. Oh yeah, this is a whole little. Hey, well.
Good Beamer. Good Beamer for the win. Some nigga Draco shit. He had the bitch lit up. Yeah, that bitch lit up before, y'all. Alright, nigga, I deleted that video, nigga. I was pissed. I didn't want to say nothing. I deleted the video when you gave me the drop. What's up, Thad? Yeah.
Hi, brother.
She got on. What's the outfit of the day? Hold on. Pop your shit. Okay.
Regular, you know,
Okay.
it's real cold out here.
Okay.
It's supposed to rain today.
Hold on. What you don't you got the business though? Pop your shit. Let them know
No,
what you.
my nails aren't done, so I can't even pop no shit because
Okay, alright.
I'm out here looking nuts. I can't be like, I do nails with no nails. That's crazy.
Yeah, I feel you though. Well, it's good seeing you, beautiful.
I see.
You already know. Get these $2 real quick. So my boy, man. This shit nice, I'm not gonna lie. Hot ass fish done burnt the roof of my mouth. Ramo.
Open it up.
Don't you got some lights in here?
Huh?
You got it lit up yet? You said you don't want no lights, huh? See? I'm opening the back door when you move. Yeah. So there you go. Good console. This shit butter. See that pearl. See that pearl, good. Whamming. Got the GTO seats in here. I ain't never seen that. You got the front. I don't know what kind of seats you got in the back. That's hard. Big bud. Good.
What's that with it?
Pulling some of my boy. Cool, you know, outside with the gang.
That's your joint over there, ain't it?
Yeah, that's cat, yeah. The white box. Yeah, what's up, my nigga though, man?
Come on, man. You know it, man. We
Yeah.
outside, man.
It's sad.
You know, I don't pop out very much, but you know I gotta pop out.
Yeah, come on, man. City outside.
Come on, man.
It's sad. Good seeing my nigga. Yeah, he might be over there. He's somewhere around this bitch. This is that joint. I'm not gonna hold you. Look at Cuddy. Mr. Old School himself. My name, Mr. Old School himself. What you wearing? What you wearing? Oh yeah, some exclusive shit. This is a car right here.
Come on, nigga, it's like 1,500.
For sure.
Nigga, it's a car. Serious. This is a new one. I've been had this. I got hella money.
Filthy bikes. If y'all know bikes, y'all know. I know him, but shit. This thing got exclusive
I just
shit.
switched up, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I
huh?
mean, I'm not car ready right now.
Shit, you got enough of them motherfuckers. yeah. I feel you. This one. Butter, I'm not gonna lie, the root beer is hitting on this bitch. Over in here, this my nigga shit. He got a couple of joints. He had this joint for a minute. He redoing it. He was on these in like 06s. He got the Chevy bow tie top in the back. He redoing that shit. But yeah, he was on 305 on these. You know. What's up? Talking shit. What's that?
So what's up with the box Chevy?
What you mean? What's up with it?
What's up with it? Like, you running good now?
Oh yeah, you seen what I just did? I was like,
I seen you take off.
Yeah, that was light.
But you ain't doing donuts better than me though.
Where's your car?
Right here.
All right, we'll see when you seen at the last show, the South End Shutdown, what I did.
That was cute.
All right.
That was cute.
But you saw it though. All right. I ain't seen no recent donut. I ain't seen no recent donut by you. You feel me? You gotta.
On 24s, I'm trying to save them tires.
He come over here talking all this shit, talking about saving some tires. Okay, I can't talk because I ain't on no 24s. I'm on the small ass 18.
I looked at the price of the tires, 400 a piece for some good ones.
Yeah, hell nah. For some good ones, you better get them 151 and call it a day. Yeah, you're tripping. Niggas are not paying 400 for no tire. You better get them 151s.
Yeah.
Hey, you know, real cheap. You cool cheap.
All right, bro, I'm about to walk around.
All right, bro. See you in a minute. Oh, you know I got you, gang. Stop playing. You know I got you. Nice. Boy, shit. You ain't on it.
It's already up to the...
Stupid. little bit. Good, bro. Man, shit. He's still working on it. Still working on it. I see he put the interior in this bitch. Look at Kirk. I was trying to catch up. My bad, y'all.
My bad.
You good? It's a privilege. Yeah, man. Supposedly last time I've been start. Damn, nice. I didn't even see this joint.
Pick up. It's like
That's shit. Not too tired, right? Love you, Cuddy. Rest in peace. Denise, love you. A little bit. Yeah.
what's up, man?
Oh, cooling. You already know.
How you doing it?
Some more of it. Cooling. You already know. Cuddy. Where the weed at?
You got it.
Man, I do got some. You got a wrap? He's in the car. I'm about to go grab it. I forgot. I just picked up some shit. Yeah, I'll tell you when I come back. I'll tell you. Some cool. Nah, it's some decent shit. Oh, this shit hard. I'll be right back. Huh?
These are one of those things I want.
I'm trying to break my camera. You can get one.
Yeah.
Same shit. You got it, baller.
We out here.
We outside.
You see it?
The gang. Impala.
7
Yeah, no, this is a 59. You are out of this pocket. What the hell is wrong with you?
59.
The big dog.
All red interior.
Yeah. So whoop. So whoop. Yeah, I was in the league. What's going on, gang? Yeah. Let me get through it. Yeah.
They make a newer style one.
Let me go grab this. So what's up? You already know. Outside. Eating good? What you eat? What you eating on, man? Okay. Damn, I should have got some shit like that. I don't even know meat though. Oh no, you good? You good? They know who you are, superstar. They know you good. That part. That's all they're gonna say. I had to go grab this tree out the car. It's Unc's recent build. Y'all know he got that hot Malibu. Full charge that. He like big block. He go big block. He go big block pro charge. He ain't fucking with LS's. Or not big block. He go small block 400. Small block 400 with a pro charge. And it's dark right now, so you can't see. She has some. She has some shit. Baby girl has some shit on her. Okay, this tree. Oh yeah, you see me, man? Nah, hell no. Come on, man. Yeah, man. Come on, man. I do it for y'all. Come on, man. Hell yeah, I'm waiting for my back seat to get back, man. The mechanic burnt my shit. He got to pay for it.
What you got in this motherfucker, bro?
It's a 5.3 LS.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
5.3 LS.
Shit out this motherfucker.
Yeah.
When they gonna do that again?
Yeah. Shit, I don't know. They need to do that shit. All right, man. Get out the way. Nice little 5.7.
Nothing. That was a waste of video.
It's a nice little 5.7.
Yeah, that was a waste of video. For sure.
Let me get some food, dog. Let me get some fish, bro.
You ate all your fish. Can I get some fish?
Damn, I can't get a piece, bro. That's crazy. Huh? What? You niggas, hey, listen. You see me prime time over there, man. Yeah. You see me prime time over there. You feel me? Yeah. Y'all should have parked right there.
The next
You
time
feel
we
me?
seen you, nigga, you had a bag.
These niggas want to park all exclusive in the front and shit.
My nigga
Nigga should have parked right there. That's nice and player.
Like the nigga been
Feel
here
me?
for 30 minutes.
Unbothered. You feel me? Yeah. It's all good though. Let me get some fish. Where your fish at?
Oh, my shit's coming out the fryer.
Hey, listen. I'm gonna just give you guys a hint. Don't eat it too fast because you're gonna burn the roof of your mouth. I already did. My shit hanging right now.
I want to be like you.
My shit hanging. My shit hanging.
I might walk back to my car and let my shit slip down.
Yeah, you don't want to be hanging. My shit
I
hanging.
might smoke something real quick.
Oh yeah. Yeah, my shit hanging.
Yeah.
You see me doing this?
Alright, make sure you gotta get your pictures.
Man, hold on, dog.
Come on Instagram.
Auntie, what's happening?
Hey.
I was just recording your car.
Yeah.
Let me check you out. Okay.
You already see it.
I see you.
You
Yeah, I see you.
Sit back.
What's up, brother? What's going on? Is this Mel's bike? Is this your man? What the hell? God damn. What'd he say, Marty? Mel, what's happening, man?
Hey, baby.
Come
What's
on,
going
man.
on?
You already know. Trying to catch a dose. What you got going on right here? That 3-wheeler thing, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Even different. Man, every time. What's that, bro? Hell yeah. Yeah, that's
more to drink.
for sure. Go back over here. I didn't even get my boy's joint right here. I didn't even get my guy's shit, man. The guy right there.
71, okay.
I know, I like the color combo, how he did it, all the way, details and shit. It's hard.
Flame color.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
To the interior,
I didn't even really
you see how he got the orange in the interior?
Okay, see,
You
now
see the
I-
Malibu on the doors, it probably
Yeah.
light up. He got his name all up on it. This joint's stupid.
Stupid.
You gave me that light too, I needed that.
I like how he went new
Yeah.
on the interior.
Billet steering wheel. And then he got the Dakota, the old school Dakota, the new school, but the old school original.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, this shit done. Hey, he got some other shit too.
He got the blue.
No, he just sold a fucking box Chevy that he had with the fucking LSA in it. He had a 79 cocaine white. It looked all original, but it had an LSA in that motherfucker. He just sold that, and then he got a Regal T-Type that he's building. All his shit done. Huh?
MrGoddamnit, nigga, I'm surprised he ain't still there.
He's over here. He's talking to some people right over there.
You already got cut.
I'll take some more. They got that big baba, big dog. Appreciate you, brother. Me. That's my nigga. See how you coming. Like shit.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you, big
Come
dog.
on, man.
Love.
I brought an extra couple, but I think he wants to do
Hey, my brother just gave me the shot. I needed the cut. Hey, look at my boy. He outside. What's up with the game, man?
Yeah, what is this? You vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. You know, we vlogging. You got the camera on all day. You know what I mean? We need all that. What's up, man? We need all the footage. What you driving? Yeah, this shit's hard. Where's it at? How's it running?
Pretty good. Probably whip here about Chevy.
I'm right over here, so if you want to take it to the straightaway after this is good.
Right now. You
Not right now.
You got the box Chevy?
Yeah, the white one. Yeah, I'm chilling right now, but I mean, after.
Fully built 6 up.
And we can record it. We can have your boy stand on the side and record it for the
If
tune.
I don't got it,
That'd be some good footage.
Stand on it.
That'd be some good footage. You want,
You run the
hey,
vet after.
hey, it's Saturday. I'm not tripping. I need good content. You feel me?
Vet after, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my boy.
Yeah, good guys.
Yeah, on me. What, Leo? Yeah. And didn't you just follow me again on this shit?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
change your picture and shit.
I changed the color shoe.
I just followed you back. My dog.
How'd your
Yeah,
shit
I'll
run?
bust your ass too. Whenever you're ready to bring that. Nah.
So I
I don't know my shit. What'd he say?
I said, Drake touched your shit.
Nah, Dre ain't touch my shit. Every time I ask Dre to do something, bro, nigga, I have to do it. Do the spark plugs and everything. All right, I'm gonna cut you guys back on the geyser.
Man, another one like the other one, man. You know, we down here, down and around like I'm on the ground.
Okay.
Taking a look at these beauties, man.
Yeah.
Whole lot of horsepower.
Whole lot of horsepower. Oh, wait. You see it? You see it?
Right here.
I didn't even know this was a flat. I made it back. Slowly but surely I'm back. I almost got distracted. Niggas that gave me alcohol and some more shit.
I was like, yeah, he ain't coming.
Nah, you know I'm coming back for the family.
Nigga went down to the bowl. I was like, niggas like, this shit's done. Why?
Who got the rap? trying to get honest. But hey, my dog over here, man. Hey, beautiful. Let me get your drip. Okay. Okay.
Hi, bro.
Hi. Outside. Across the street, right over there, like right by the motorcycles.
Over there?
Yeah, just a couple. Right by the motorcycles. There's cars everywhere.
Selling your capris?
Huh?
You selling your capris?
For the right
Got a
price.
couple joints for sale?
Yeah, you already know how I do it. For the right price.
I already know. I seen what you said.
Yeah, niggas think I'm not giving shit away, but if I can come up, you feel me, in quadruple or double, yeah, you can have it.
I'm trying to look for me old school, but I just don't know exactly what I want.
What you want? Like, let me know.
I want something hard.
Where's that? Here? What's going on, big dog? Yeah. Let me know. I'm about to pull my shit over there. Yeah. I'm like, I ain't no Cuddy on the bike. I see it, boy. I'm about to move it. I'm about to move it. I'm about to move it right now.
This yours?
Yeah, I'm moving it right now.
So, I'm glad you're gonna move it. This is a citation for the vehicle though.
Okay.
Can't be parked in a park.
Okay, my bad. For sure. Gave me a ticket and hey. Gave me a ticket in the box. It's all good. That motherfucker right there. Crazy. Hella people recording. Out here traffic. I need to move my shit. Gave me a ticket and shit. I seen you sliding earlier. I tried to catch you. I had to get this motherfucker. Come on, man.
I gotta come pull up.
Come on, man. Dad.
What's your cousin?
Dad, you already know we do this shit. Come on, man. L fucking P. I'm pulling up in the front.
Oh no, brother. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like this part for you.
Huh?
I don't like this part for you. Carry my shit in.
Shit. Oh, I'm covering you up?
I give you no sound like you can't do it.
Something came off. His Dayton's about to pop off. He better stop. Is that his center cap?
What was it? Where'd it go?
Where'd it go? It slid way down there. That's why I don't want no Dayton's on my shit. It slid way down there. My nigga sick. Hey, bro, you find it? Whoa.
Yeah. Don't promote the burning out.
No, I'm not.
Don't burn out.
Wasn't that a knockoff that came off that nigga shit?
Somebody shit flew off?
Yeah, that nigga Casper's Elko.
Yeah.
Brown rubber up there, and I swear the knockoff flew way down here.
Chevy said it was something. He said
However it goes, we got
something.
something called no burning out.
Yeah.
Because them niggas ain't gonna let us run this shit back. We had to get permission to the city. If the city know we out here fucking it up,
Yeah.
they're gonna be like, yeah, you guys can't do this no more.
Alright. Promote that. I did not promote that. Hey, I did not promote that. I swear to God, I didn't promote that. He said, I'm running.
Still burning rubber the one time.
He said, I ain't got no knockoffs.
Nah, hell no.
Look, Casper, now he got Casper started.
Whoever got this elbow got the hardest elbow.
Yeah, I swear to God. Look at this. We need a burnout contest. Look what you talking about.
Right.
Hey, let me see something. Let me see something. Hey, hold on! Man, why you making niggas rest, bro? I'm trying to get footage and shit,
Nah,
man.
we can't get it shut down.
I'm strapped up. I'm